Hey, what's up guys? This is Evan from Kids Sports Corner and today I'm playing Madden Mobile. Gonna start off in seasons. Madden 22 NFL season. Full 17 games, 2022 NFL schedule opponents, full management decisions, 1.5 minute quarter. Sounds pretty good. My ultimate goal is to get to this, but I mean, it's what it is. Of course, favorite team, Arizona Cardinals. I like the options whenever you run option. Like, I just like it. I'll try medium. Should be, like, difficulty between hard. Like, oh my god, this sounds so dumb. Medium. Oh my god. Okay. All pro. Okay. Roster choice and difficulty settings will be. Okay. Marquise Brown. Oh, why is D-Hop at wide receiver 2? Okay. Honestly, this is kind of good. Like, I like it. I like the Cardinals roster, honestly. We got a solid roster. But, Trey McBride's here. I kind of want to put in Marquise Brown. I'll get the rookie some playing time. AJ Green, oh my god, I don't know why he's here, but it is what it is. I don't create the Madden rosters, but Corey Peters, oh my god, we really need D-tackle. Really hope Jalen Cardi falls. What? Why is it doing this? DeAndre Hopkins is out and was injured in the preseason. His player will turn in a week. Okay. Marquise Brown will place then. Okay. Top 5 in the league on 4th down conversions. Control. Oh, I don't know if I go for it on 4th down that much though. Okay, Chiefs. We might get stomped like in real life, but let's see it. Ooh. Cardinals flock. Let's fly. Cardinals flock. Let's fly. I'm ready. I'm feeling this game. I got the controller and everything, so I should be good. Honestly, I'm playing on the shades for this one. I'm just kidding. For real though, I like returning. I just like the scene where that puts us in. Oh, okay. I thought I could break his ankles. Okay. We got Marquise Brown, Zach Ertz, AJ Green on the field. Okay. Dime. That should have been a pick. How about we start off running a little bit? We gotta run. We gotta pound the rock. Secure that run game. Okay. Twin combos, I like this play. Okay, I might hit Zach. I like the crosshair routes in this game. You got speed? You got speed? Oh, let's go. He does have that speed. He does have that speed. Okay, that's solid. Man, I might be passing it too much. I have a bad feeling about a pick coming. Though, can you lateral in this game? I didn't even mean to. I actually want to see if I can lateral. Oh, it's like a fake lateral. It's like a pump fake or whatever. AJ Green coming up big there. Why did I throw that? Oh my god, B was in double coverage and I threw it to him anyways. Horrible idea. Oh my god, Kyler Murray just got leveled. I should have been running it. Too late now. AJ Green, I might be hitting your slant route. Oh, dump it off. Oh, let's go, Marquise Brown. He's coming up clutch, I'm telling you. He's an elite receiver. He deserves that job. Okay. He deserves that job over, what's it called? He deserves that job over Trey McBride. He just does. You know what? I gotta do that because I hate the kicking with it. Marcus Golden, he's washed. Honestly, I might sub him out for Majay Sanders or Who's the other dude? Najee Sanders, maybe Cameron Thomas. Buda Baker. Nah, that's unrealistic. That does not happen in real life. Why am I using a D lineman? What? Got my user middle linebacker, Isaiah Simmons. Okay, locked him up. Maybe was I supposed to cover that? Oh, I was supposed to cover him. Oh, screw it. I'm playing Buda Baker. Oh, let's go. Sack. I thought I was going to take off and actually get it. I was scared for a second there. Marcus Golden playing. No, I'm using Isaiah Simmons. Oh, I got beat. Oh, thank God. I got beat really badly. Dalvin couldn't. I don't even know him. Let's go. Coming up clutch with that user tackle. Block this field goal. Byron Murphy, you better block this. Hashtag roughing the kicker. Bro, I smacked that kicker's leg. Surprised he didn't fall from that tackle. Like, Madden always likes to do these shoestring tackle animations that are just complete, would never happen in real life. But, you know, where they just tap their ankle, then they do this ridiculously falling animation. I don't like it. Marquise Brown beat him. Oh, elite catcher. We gotta go, hurry up. Same back-to-back play. Oh, AJ Green coming up clutch. Coming up big. Tight end angle. I'm feeling AJ Green actually. Timeout. Why just take a screenshot? Oh no. Elite hands. Did he catch it? Oh my God, he caught it. The clock's supposed to stop. Screw it. Oh my God, he was not open whatsoever. Where do I go for? Do I go for it? Marquise Brown, 2 touchdowns. That's it. This man's getting a starting job. That's it. I think he secured the job, honestly. Trey McBride's done nothing whatsoever to prove to me that he can be good. Oh my God. Manter deep. I'm gonna just try and get a sack with him. Oh, let's go. That actually worked. I'm surprised. Bro, Isaiah Simmons is fast. I think we have a good chance of winning this game, honestly. 14-3 at half. Oh my God. What am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, I got beat. Thank God Mahomes is dumb. He threw it there. It's a run. Oh my God. He got trucked. Oh my God. Who is that? Isaiah Pacheco? I mean, he's good, but not that good. Oh my God. Cover one of these people. Around this zone. Oh. Okay, tackle for loss. I'd rather be Buda Baker. I hate playing man coverage. I get beat. We don't have good corners. Let's just play zone. Play it safe. Locked up. Oh my God. Of course it's Travis Kelce. Like, on God, it's Travis Kelce. Screw it. I'm playing Trayvon. I'm playing Cole Hardman. Oh. Oh, that's a nice tackle. Okay, what the? Offsides. Locked him up. Definitely. Oh my God, it's not even close. Just gonna die every time they throw it to me. I'm just gonna user lurk it, user pick it, or whatever. Oh my god, I'm tackling him while he's out of bounds. Okay, if they get this, it'll be a 1-score game. Oh, that would have been game if they missed it there. That would have been game. Game over. I just need to clock now. Get James Conner involved. Rondale Moore, you gonna return this for a touchdown. I'm feeling it. Oh, got leveled. Why am I doing this? I thought I was gonna. Okay. Rondale Moore? Oh no, it's James Conner. Hurry up, offense. The Chiefs called timeout? What? What the butt? Oh, James Conner got wheels. Oh, James Conner got wheels. He got them wheels. He is fast. He is sleeper. He's a sleeper. Go to bed. He's a sleeper. Sleeper. Oh, that was a really hard throw. Bro was late. Honestly, tell me if you like this video. Like, I really like Madden Mobile, so it could be a franchise, like a full season. Regardless, I probably will do a full season. I really like this video. Shout out to anyone who's actually watching it and staying through the video. Like, major shout out. Bro dropped it? Okay, that's the real Mecole Hardman. Oh, I got beat. Oh my god. This game is unrealistic. I'm not even joking. When have you seen Juju do that? Like, okay, I got him. I got Juju. I got beat deep. I got beat deep. Never mind. Never mind. I was all over that. Never mind. I was all over that. No chance he had that. I'll run when it's zone ball. Run, man. Oh, let's go. Getting the pressure on him. That's what we like to see. Elite D-line. At least I locked up my guy. I got him. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my god. That's really how I go. That's really how the video's gonna go. Why would they be? Oh wait, because I missed it. That's why. Ooh. I'm not gonna call timeout. I'm just gonna pray that they get it. Okay, good. Thank God. I didn't want to waste the precious timeout. I got this. It's a touchdown this drive. Bro got pushed into another galaxy. 4 verticals. Where's D? Oh my god. D-Hop got injured. I'm so dumb. Oh, X is wide open. Is that Marquise Brown? No, AJ Green? AJ Green. Let's go. I was questioning benching you, but never mind. Trey McBride's the one getting benched here. Did he fall in his route? Let me watch that. I think that was James Conner, right? The pass interference. Bro got hit sticked. Pass interference. Ref. What the? No. Pass interference. What are they doing? These refs are horrendous. What the? Okay. I like this angle, kind of. Wait, no. 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 What? Okay, thank God. I got Trayvon Mullen. Not getting beat deep again. I seriously just gave up another dang touchdown. Duh. Okay, I was about to be like, are they not kicking 3? Roughing the kicker. Oh, okay. I tried to break his bone. Every single bone. It says onside. Oh my god. If I lose, I'm blaming it on me. Like, there's no excuses. You know what? Why not? I'm gonna throw it. I want that sweet, sweet extra touchdown. Oh, ankles. Oh, real life, most of my throws would be picks. Marquise Brown, I like that streak route. Why did I throw that? Oh, why did I throw that? Oh, no. It was not there. Double coverage, not there. I'm running this play. I'm just going to be a middle linebacker. Or a D lineman, apparently. Pick it. Pick it. Pick it. Can you pick it? What you doing? Mahomes is breakdancing. What the? Trayvon Mullen. I know what you're doing now. I can't get beat deep. Illegal forward pass. Illegal forward pass. Like, did you guys see that? Bro's body was across the line. I'm pretty sure it's most of his body was behind the line. Let's go. Touchdown. Pass interference. Imagine. Okay. I'm getting copyrighted for this. I hope they know that. I hope they know I'm getting copyrighted for this. He's out for 5 weeks. Oh my god. First D-Hop's out, now Marquise Brown's out. He did so good though. I think I might just pay for cutting edge rehab. You know what? J.K. Dobbins. I don't need him, though. That's tough, man. Losing Marquise Brown, that's tough. Yeah, he's not even there. It's tough. Really is tough. But, I mean, we're 1-0. Okay, so, well, see you guys next time.